All right, let's start this again. Hey guys, it's Azalea. I'm so excited to talk to you guys today. Today I am explaining what made me get the Coach Rogue 25 it's a collaboration with Coach and Jean-Michel Basquiat. So let me just get into why I ended up getting this bag. I'm pretty late on it. It is such a gem. I actually got it in yesterday, and yeah, it's been out for a while, but the one that I got, I'm not too sure why, but I'm not seeing a lot of them in the online space. I'm seeing the Empire version, out there much more. I think Coach had a sale, and the Empire version was a certain price, and all of that jazz. But the one that I got is the Elm version that has the Pez on it, and I'll explain a little more about that in a bit. But I just wanted to share why I actually got the bag. One, you guys know that I'm a person where if I like something, I just get it. Like, I don't care who's wearing it, if it's if it's being worn right now, if it's trendy, all the fashion stuff. No, if I like it, I actually get it. I consider myself a person that really just has my own style. And being from New York City, when I saw it, I was like, listen, I need it. Obviously, I love the artist Jean-Michel Basquiat. I also love his story and, just his origin and things like that. I am from Trinidad and Tobago. He is of Haitian descent. I think it's Haitian and also Puerto Rican descent, I believe. But, being from New York, and I live in Dallas, Texas now, so just supporting an artist from the same place as you is a huge deal to me. I know that I saw some things online where people were like, it was just they didn't like the collaboration, but I don't see too much of an issue with the collaboration. I love that the proceeds from the collaboration goes to his family, and I know that some of his family members were included into the launch and all of that jazz. You guys know I love marketing, and you can learn more about how much I love marketing on my other channel, which I'll link down below. But I just saw this bag and I was like, listen, I love it. And I'll tell you what I love about it. So that's my reason. It's just being from New York City, supporting an artist, supporting his family, and also loving Coach. Wait, let me just get into why I love Coach as well. I remember just being a kiddo and, my mom loved Coach a lot. And so she still has lots of her own Coach finds. But as I started, getting older, I realized I love it as well. I think what I love about Coach is just the quality of the product. And, they've been doing so much in 2021 and 2020, 2021. I can see how much they've grown as a company, or not even grown. I feel like their messaging has pivoted towards, a younger demographic. And I really love that. So I am totally obsessed with their marketing right now, and, just getting more immersed into the brand, and even more immersed than I was before. Like before, I loved some of their classic pieces, but now it's a wrap. Like I'm just like in love with everything Coach, and you'll see that from what I'm going to show in this video. But yeah, so that's just a roundup of why I love it. So let me show you. Okay guys, so let's dive into it. Let me tell you why I love this bag so much. I love the color of it. I was nervous about the color, but when it came in the mail, I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. And so I paid full price for it. I got it from Saks online. And let me tell you, there are parts of it that you can't find. Example, you cannot find anymore. And I had to actually order this from someone. I guess this person bought it. And so this is the strap. So the novelty strap. I couldn't find this, and I really, really wanted this novelty strap because of the fact that it was part of the collaboration. Right. So, but the other reason I really wanted it was because I wanted a bit of black in my bag, because I do wear black a lot. So I love the color Elm, which, listen, this is just so beautiful, right? And I'll show you a bit more of details about the bag. And I love that there is some black in the Pez here. And I just thought that, having the novelty strap just makes it pop even more. And I don't know if you can see that, but it just pulls out the black into the bag itself. So I don't think this is available anymore. So I had to get mine from eBay from a seller, and I'm sure that it is all real and all that jazz. has, because listen, I was a bit nervous about that as well, but I had a really good experience with that. So this is that strap, and this is sold separately. I don't even know the original price. I do know that I overpaid for it because Lord knows. I think this person bought this with the intention to sell it or resell it, because this bag is definitely, I would say, a collector's item. So I don't know how much I'm going to be wearing it, but hey. Okay, so the bag itself is such a cute size. I think one thing that I didn't like is that when I saw people, because I looked it up before I reviewed it, when I saw people review it, I wasn't sure like what size the bag was or what size the bag really was, especially if it's your first Rogue that you're buying. You may not be aware of the exact size. So I'm holding this up to me just so that you can see like, what the size of this bag is like. And I'm going to turn it to the side just so that you can see like it's a small bag, but for me, I love small bags like these. Like, it's so cute. I love how sturdy it is. For me, I do wear a lot of gold accessories, so I love the brass finishing on the bag itself. And this bag also comes with other straps. So there are other straps that you could add on to it, and I'll show you those in a bit, but they actually hook on to here, and they are longer straps. I do like those straps as well. So I like all lengths of the straps. I like that I can use these, just on a day where I just want to carry and be cute. But there are longer straps that I can attach to this as well. For me, this is my first Coach Rogue, and I know that I'm going to buy more. I already started designing others because I'm like, girl, I need them. So that's pretty cool. I think that just having something that you really cherish and that you really love is super important. It makes you feel special. I know that I shared on this channel before. By the way, if you're here and you have not subscribed just yet, I just want to remind you to do so. You're already here, girl. Why not? But I shared that I spent so many years building my business that I did not focus on my love for fashion or my love for style. And so now I'm back into it, which is why I really am pushing this channel right now, because I'm just in a space where my business has taken off and now I can focus back on the things that I love and the things that I'm really passionate about. So yeah, so that is the bag. This is the Rogue. This is not going to be my first Rogue review because I've already, like I said before, started building another Rogue, or like there are other Rogues that I definitely know that I want. I'm not yet into pre-loved. I don't know if that will change. I just prefer to buy new, although I bought this from someone, but I can tell that they didn't use it. I really think that this person bought this just to resell it, which is a good idea. You guys know I love a business, right? But yeah, so I just wanted to share like why I really love it. Like I said, being able to add some black in there was definitely, something for me. I can see myself adding other accessories to it as I go along, but, I'm loving it so far. Okay, guys, I wanted to record a really quick unboxing, or not even really an unboxing, more of an unbagging or unwrapping per se. So this is me unwrapping this bag, and this moment just felt so special. I just want to talk a little bit about the Pez and what it stands for as far as Jean Michel's work. So the Pez dispenser is displayed on the bag, and it is actually a dinosaur with a crown on top of it. And so this is so beautiful. It looks painted when you look at the bag itself. And it is also a bit textured. So there is some embroidery there, and the colors are very distinct. And even though I thought this bag didn't have a lot of black, when I got it and I dressed up in it, I realized that it does have that Pez definitely stands out. The Pez dispenser definitely stands out on the bag as some black in there. I love that we do have the crown on there as well, because we all know that Basquiat used the crown as a symbol of the class struggle and financial inequality that he documented throughout his life. So, that is really, really important as well. The cool thing is you can definitely learn more about Jean Michel's work by doing a simple Google search. There are so many documentaries on YouTube and even on Netflix, I believe. So don't be afraid to explore. He is definitely someone that we were lucky to experience. Okay, so now that I'm almost done getting everything off of the bag, I was so excited to take everything off and see, how the bag would wear, what it would look like, what it would feel like. And even after this video and wearing the bag, I felt like this bag can really go with a lot of different things. You can get a neutral look out of it. You can get, so you can dress all in white or beige and just use the bag for a pop. It's not too obnoxious and it just does what it's supposed to do. Also, that design, like I said before, the Pez is so amazing and it stands out subtly on the bag. So there's not a lot going on, so it just leaves a lot of class to this Rogue as well, which I really, really enjoyed. And now I'm not too sure how this bag will wear as, time passes. It feels so sturdy. It really feels really fresh and new. I love the size, and I feel like it's because it's a 25 that it feels that sturdy. So I don't see it slouching a lot as I spend more time with it. There we have that very obvious askew and off base. This bag, it's such a statement, yet it's so subtle. And that's why I really love it. And there you can see all of the handles. You can see the pockets inside. It's such a well constructed bag. I mean, Coach is known for that. I mentioned that I love Coach because of its longevity and how much quality is put into each piece. This is the dust bag. I wanted to make sure to show you guys, and I'm emptying it. It comes stuffed, and so it's gonna hold shape if it's stuffed. I'm not too sure if I will store it stuffed. I don't think so. One thing I can tell you is that I love this bag. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely leave me a thumbs up or let me know, like, what do you think about the Coach Basquiat collaboration? Or let me know if you are in love with Coach Rogues as well. Let me know, like, which Rogue are you on? And now that I'm totally in this world, I'm seeing so many people on the YouTube streets that have so many Rogues. Like, I can't wait till I get there because I'm like, where was I? Why didn't I know about the Coach Rogue? And I think I love the 25 right now, but I am looking at the 20. I am looking at the 17, which is just so tiny and really cute. I don't know if I would buy a bigger one because it's just not a part of my lifestyle, maybe to carry my computer sometimes, but I also know that there is like a briefcase that looks really cute too. I'm probably saying the wrong name for it. I realize that Coach culture is, you guys are so passionate about it, so I can't wait to learn more about, everything Coach. And yeah, so that was my review on this bag and reasons why I bought it. I hope that was helpful for somebody who's looking to buy as well. All right, so I love you guys and I will talk to you soon. Take care.